Hi everyone. Today I'll teach you how to publish your BSP map in Workshop. Alright, let's get started. First, write this text to see a site. And click to this site. Write a random mod name. Write a description. And upload your main image. Now, upload another images. Upload zip file with BSP map. Write the numbers of the version. And write the changelog. And final, click upload and publish your mod. So, that's all for today. And, thanks for watching.